this video I'm going to tell you about 10 patterns, free patterns that you can make for bags. So you can make them for yourself or for friends. They're great for presents. They're all on my YouTube channel and they can all be made following the YouTube tutorial. So let's get into it and I will show you the bags one by one. So the first project is the simplest of bags. It's a basic tote bag. It's literally 2 pieces of fabric, there's no lining, and the top is just turned over twice. The handles are made out of webbing, so they're pre-made. You just cut them off and then sew them on there. Really easy to make, totally doable for a complete beginner. There's no lining in there or anything like that. So that's a really nice present to make for people as well, because it can be made really quickly. So this project is a bit of an upcycling project. So what I've actually done in this one is this is using pieces from a bag, which is the brown, and the handles. So I upcycled a bag that I got from a charity shop, and different pieces of denim as well. So it's lined. Okay, so you probably are not going to have exactly the same handles as these, but you could use any other, you could use fabric handles there. So it's a really nice, cute bag, really easy to make as well. What you've got here is a gift bag, but it also can be used just as a storage bag. So it's got a contrast lining, because what you've got here is the channel, the drawstring channel here is actually in a different fabric, so you can use a different fabric here, and then the cord is actually threaded through, so that's sort of sat on top of the bag. Now it's boxed, which means that it sits flat on the floor, so they're very sweet. Right, another denim project. Again, this is one of my favourites as well, actually. This is made using different pairs of jeans on the outside. I think I used about 5 or 6 different pairs on the outside. It's got fabric straps, and then it also has elasticated pockets both sides, which are divided in half. And then it also has a denim divider inside as well. And it's got like a little clip to clip it together, magnetic clasp. So there's a lot going on in this project. It's also got like a wadding inside that gives it stability. So this is another project that does take a bit of time. So this is a special present for somebody that you really love, but it is a fabulous bag. Another tote bag. This is slightly different in that it's got fabric handles, which are a little bit shorter, but it also has some, at the side it is shaped, and so both sides, and that is just by adding a line of stitching there, and also at the bottom as well. So it's given that shape and it can actually sit flat. So that's a little bit more involved than the previous tote bag, but still very achievable. So it's a tote bag that has got the edges shaped and also the bottom. It's quite a lot bigger. It's got fabric handles and it's got long handles, and it's a big size. It's like a big shopper, this. The pattern for this also has a little pouch that this can be folded up inside. So it means that the person that you give it to can use it to keep it in their bag. So it can be presented in its pouch as a really lovely little gift. So, and that is, sorry, I forgot to mention that. So that's also lined, which elevates that and makes it, you know, a much nicer product. Right, so this is a travel bag, which I love actually. It's one of my favourite projects, and I've made this out of one single pair of jeans. So it's got a zip and a lining, a contrast lining, that's made from a bed sheet, and this is just literally made from one pair of jeans. So it's got webbing on the outside, and then it's got a welt pocket here which is lined. I would say that this is perhaps one of the more complicated projects, so you do need some, you know, some sewing skills to be able to put this together. It's quilted. There's a lot going on this in this bag. It's a really good size. I've called it an overnight bag, which is what I use it for if I'm going away for the night. So it's a great project. Like I say, it takes a little bit more time. So this wants to go to somebody. If you're making this for a friend or family member, this needs to be for somebody special, because this is going to take you quite a bit of time to make, but it's worth it. So this is a denim patchwork tote bag. It's lined, and then there's a pocket, patchwork pocket inside as well. This is made using various pairs of jeans. I think I used about 6 pairs of jeans for this one. You can use as many or as few as you like. It's a really simple pattern. The video that I've made actually has this in a slightly bigger size. I made it for my daughter, and it was too big for her, so I actually had to chop off 1.5 squares off the bottom. So this is slightly smaller than the one in my video tutorial. The next project is a drawstring bag. Now you can make this in any size. I've given you the sizes on my tutorial. It's made out of scrap, so that's what makes it different. It has a really nice look to it. If you choose scrap fabrics that all sort of coordinate together, it looks lovely. And that's lined inside, and that just makes a really nice present. The next project is another drawstring bag, but slightly different this time. It's got a wadding inside it, which gives it a slightly more voluminous feel. It's boxed underneath so it can sit flat, and I haven't got the sample here because I made it and gave it to my niece when she had a baby, and I made a little soft toy and put the soft toy in there. So that's a really cute design to do. It's drawstring, it's got a drawstring around the top that you gather up, and it's a really nice simple project for a drawstring bag. Thank you for joining me. I will see you in the next video. If you have a look at my videos, there's lots and lots of other things for you to see and enjoy, so I look forward to seeing you there. Have a lovely day. Bye.